Let's see. All right, we are live on YouTube now. I have already see. I before going live streaming, right? I used to send two messages. One is reminder like after few hours or few minutes we're going to start a live class, and again before we go live, I'm going to send one more message. But I don't know. People are not interested or what they are doing. Yes. William, am I audible to you? You can unmute yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Only fan sound is coming, not your audio. William,
Hello?
yeah, you want to ask something related to the course?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. I don't want to ask anything for now. I just want to follow the studies and then
Okay. So is this
along
your
the line, maybe I'll have a question to ask. Yeah.
all right? So is this your first class, or you have already attended any of our webinar?
And this is my first class.
Okay. So see, for free of cost, I am giving trial classes to all the students, and those who are interested in complete course, you can also take the complete course. We are going to take it on every Sunday. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I will send you the
Okay.
course link after the webinar.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. What is happening? Google Meet. All right, 7 students are watching right now on YouTube. Nice. Okay, anyhow, let's start our today's session. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. So today we're going to discuss about telnet. Okay, Today's topic is telnet. Now, what is telnet? Telnet is a protocol that allows you to take a remote control of a device available in a network. This device can be your router, this can be your switch, this can be your PC, any device. Okay. With the help of telnet, you can take a remote control of a device available in a network, and via command prompt we are going to run some command, and after that we can easily access the devices. The port number of telnet is 23. Okay, is it clear till now? It is. See, recently Sonu asked, right, like interview they are going to ask questions, they will simply ask you what is the port number of 23. So you must be able to answer 23 is the port number of telnet. And what is telnet? It is a protocol that allows you to take remote control of a device available in a network.
Sir, in a switch, port number 23 is reserved for telnet.
Not like that. Who told you?
No, no, a port in a switch or in a
Port, it's
router
it's
in a
not
switch.
port. It's not. It's a port number. Every protocol you see in the internet, right? All the
Yes, sir.
protocol have a unique port number. It's not a port number of a switch.
Okay, okay,
Port number means, okay. There is one more question. What is port number then? Right? It is a unique ID of a protocol.
okay, sir.
Okay. The time we're going to configure ACL, right? That is access control list on the router for security purpose. So on that case, if you want to block telnet, if you want to block SSH, on that time we're going to use these port numbers. Even in firewall also you may find, if you block this port number means telnet will be not accessible. Okay. So all the protocol available, it has a unique ID that is called a port number. So today I am going to give you one scenario. Okay, we're going to put one router here and one switch, and here we're going to add two PC, and this router is going to connect with another switch, and here it has two computers connected. Okay, the same scenario we're going to configure, and in this scenario what I will do, I am going to configure this particular one port, means I'm going to assign IP address to this port, plus I am also going to configure telnet on this router, and with the help of this particular one computer we're going to access the router via remote control. As I've told you, right, with the help of telnet connection we're going to take the remote control of the router, and I will show you how easily you can control this port of the router with the help of your PC. So this is our main objective. All right, so let's do the live practical so that it will be more interesting. So from here, step number one, let's take a router. We need one router, we need two switches. Let's add one switch here and another switch here, and for this we need four computers, one, two, three, four. Okay, now let's connect all the devices. Done. From this to this, next switch from here to here. If you have any doubt, you can just unmute yourself, you can ask me. Okay, okay, this is simple diagram we have created. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, let's assign IP address to this port. Run the command enable. I'm expecting you guys know the command, right? Or if you don't know, then just ask me, I will explain you what is the use of these commands. Sonu, Santosh, and Muhidini, do you know the routing commands that I'm using right now? Or you want me to explain? You guys can unmute and you can share. It should not be like I'm keep explaining to you and you don't know like what is going on.
Um,
Do you know these commands? What is the use of this command? Or you want me to explain? Let me know. Because in previous class I have already explained these things many times, but many of you guys may attending it for the first time.
okay, please, we don't know the routing commands, and then we'd like you to show us.
Okay, no problem. See, whenever you log into a router or switch, okay, no problem, Moidini, we have just started and we are discussing about telnet.
We,
Okay.
sir, I think we enable global configuration mode.
No, no. See, by default, whenever you are connecting to router or switch, right? By default, it is in user mode. You are able to see this arrow
Yes,
sign. It means it is in user mode. In this mode, you cannot do anything. Means you cannot configure anything.
yes,
Okay. So
yes.
step number one, we're going to type a command called enable. Here you
Privilege
can,
mode.
yeah. So here you can see symbol change to hash, right? So you are entered into privilege mode. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
all the config in privilege mode you can check configurations and all. You can also run few commands. But whatever configuration such as telnet, assigning IP address, we're going to assign it on a configuration mode. To get into configuration mode, enter the command configure terminal. Okay, hit enter. Now as you can see, here is a router. We are under config mode. Are you able to see? Config hash. Now there is also a shortcut. Let me also show you. No need to type so long command. So let's exit. Exit means you are exiting from the exist mode. Okay.
We are exit from the
Exit.
configuration mode.
Yeah. No existing mode. From any mode, if you type exit means you will exit from that particular one mode. Okay. So again,
Okay,
right
sir.
now we are back to the user mode. Now instead of typing enable complete, just type en. That's it. You will be entered into enable. This is a shortcut of enable. Okay. Now instead of typing configure terminal, right, you can simply type conf space t, hit enter. You will be get enter into global configuration mode. Okay.
Sir, what is user exit mode?
Which one?
User exit mode is there. I think there is three modes.
Yeah, this is the first mode, right? User mode. This
Yes,
one. This one user mode.
yes.
This is privilege mode,
Configuration,
and
privilege.
this is configuration mode.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Now next step is we're going to assign the IP address. So according to scenario that I have explained, we're going to assign IP address to this particular one port. Okay. Now which port it is, first of all, we have to find out. So if you put your cursor here, it will show you. It is FA 0 by 0. Are you able to see? This is a first Ethernet port 0 by 0. So for selecting a port, the command is interface FA 0 by 0. Clear? This is the command. Hit enter. Now there is also a shortcut, but later we are going to understand what is a shortcut command, because if I tell everything means you may get confused. Now once you choose the port, here you can see the mode again change configuration, that's telling config if. Okay, this is also called configuration mode only. Next is assign the IP address. The command to assign IP address is IP space address space. First of all, let me write here what IP address we are going to assign to these devices. Okay, here I am going to assign 192.168.10.1. Okay, and in this port I'm going to assign 192.168. For example, 20.1. Clear? Okay. Now, so the command is IP address. Now we are going to assign IP address to this particular one port. Let's enter the IP address 192.168.10.1 space. Enter the subnet mask. So this is a class C IP address. You can see the first number starts with 192. It indicates it's a class C IP address. So that what is the default subnet mask of class C IP address? Tell me.
255.255.255.0.
Okay, 255.255.255.0. Hit enter. Now see,
Yes.
by default, all the ports of a router is disabled. Okay, so we have to enable it manually. The command to enable a router port is no space shutdown. Okay, hit enter. See, right now it is red color, right? So if I run this command, you can see the port changed to green. Are you able to see? And here I have a simulation mode that's it's telling here. Let me make it real time. Okay, so the port is up now. Now next step is let's configure telnet. I am not assigning IP address to this port. Okay, I will show you how you can assign it with the help of telnet so that it will become more interesting. Now get exit from this mode and we are back to normal global configuration mode. The command to enable telnet is line space VTY space 0 space 0. Here you can see maximum you can give up to 16 devices a telnet connection. It means at a time, at a single time, 16 devices can access the router. Okay. 0 means I am giving access to only one devices. 0 to 0, only one device. If I put here 1 means 0 to 1, I am giving access to two devices at a single time. If I put here 0 to 2 means at a time I am giving access to three devices, 0 to 3 devices. Max you can go up to 0 to 15. That is 16 devices can access telnet at a single time. Now let's see, let me also show you. Whenever you are having a doubt related to command, what should be the next command? You can enter one more thing that is called question mark. See, once I type the question mark, it is telling you here you can enter 1 to 15. Are you able to see? This is the maximum number you can enter. Okay. So for example, I want to give access telnet to two devices. So I will type here 0 to 1 means two devices can take access of the telnet connection at a single time. Hit enter. Done. So we have successfully enabled the telnet. Now after running this command, we have to also run certain commands. Okay, and either you take telnet or you take SSH without enabling the password, it is not going to work. So let's enter the password. Password I am giving here Cisco. You can give any password. Just for easy to remember, I am giving here Cisco. Hit enter. Now this password is for what purpose? This password is for login purpose. Just to log into the router, user has to enter this password. Hit enter. Done. Now let's get exit from here. Now to get enter to the privilege mode, we have to enter another command. Okay, first of all let me show you one live example. See, if I go to this PC, right, so let's assign the IP address to this computer, and this IP address should belong to same network. Okay, 192.168.10.2. We have already assigned 1, so let's start with 2. And here we have to also enter the default gateway. Default gateway means what? In last class also I have explained the exit point of a network. Whenever this computer going to send a data, it will go exit from this network via which port? This particular router's port, it will go exit, right? So this is the default gateway of both of these computers. So what is the IP address of this default gateway? It is 192.168.10.1. So let's enter default gateway as 192.168.10.1. Done. Now same like this, let's select the PC number 2, and here also I'm going to enter the IP address. Let's give it 3 here, and default gateway will be 10.1. Clear? So I'm going to close it from here. Now let's see what is going to happen. For accessing telnet, let's go to the command prompt, and here run the command. It is pending, or one, just give me a minute. Okay. Now command to access telnet is just type telnet space, enter the IP address of the device to which you want to access the telnet. I want to access the remote control of which device? Router. So let's enter the IP address of this particular one port. It is 192.168.10.1. Hit enter. Now see, it is asking the password. So tell me, what is the password we have entered?
Cisco.
Cisco, right? Okay, so let's enter the password here as Cisco. It will not show you the password. Okay, see, I am typing the password, it is not showing. So once you type the password, hit enter. See, right now I am in the user mode of the router. Now let me show you. If I type the command enable, hit enter, what it is telling? No password set. Means we haven't set the privilege mode password. That's the reason we are unable to get into the privilege mode. So what we have to do? Let's go back to the router, and here we are going to enter the password for the privilege mode. The password command is enable password. Let's give here command as CCNA. Okay, hit enter. Now let's go back to the computer, and I'm trying to enable. It is asking the password. See, earlier I was getting an error, no password set. Now it is asking me the password. So let's enter the password CCNA, hit enter. As you can see, right now I am in the privilege mode. Now from here we can easily get into the global configuration mode. Getting my point? Finally, I am,
Yeah.
yeah, so finally I am accessing the router. See, I have got the complete access of the router. Now if I want, I can do all the configurations that I want. Okay. So as we have discussed, let's assign the IP address to this particular one port. Okay. First of all, we are going to select the port. Okay, so run the command interface. What is the port number of this port? It is FA0 by 1. Okay, so run the command here, or not here. We are going to configure from the computer only, right? Yeah, so run the command interface FA0 by 1, hit enter. Assign the IP address We're going to assign the IP address. Which IP address? This IP address we're going to assign. That is 192.168.20.1 space 255.255.255.0. Hit enter. Run the command no shutdown to enable the port. Hit enter. See, from this computer I have configured this router's port. See, it is becoming green now. How cool it is. Have you understand what is the main use of telnet now? Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Yes, yes, I have understood. But I just want to ask some questions
Mm-hmm.
because I was disconnected while you were explaining about line VTY.
Mm-hmm. This is just a
Yes,
command to
so
enable telnet. That's why. That's it.
ah, okay. Thank you. So I understand it.
Okay. So here see line VTY, right? So in line VTY, what I have explained to you, maximum where it is. Yeah. Maximum we have given access to two devices, right? See line VTY 0 1 means 0 and 1. Only two devices can access telnet at a time, right?
Ah, okay.
So
Yes.
yeah, I think okay. Let me explain you once again. Okay, see here the number
Yes,
you are
okay.
yeah the number you are able to see here, right? If you type zero,
Yes.
if you type here 00 means only one device can access telnet at a single time.
Okay.
If you type here 01 means two devices can access telnet at a time.
Okay.
If you type here
And the
two,
maximum.
yeah, I'm telling you. If you type here two means 0 1 2 three devices. If you type here three means 0 1 2 3
Okay.
four devices. Maximum it will go up
Okay.
to 15. Means at a single
Ah,
time 16 device can access telnet.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now see this computer is already accessing the telnet of a router, right? Now let's access telnet from this computer. Let's see whether it is working or not. Now tell me what is the command to access telnet?
Telnet.
Okay.
Telnet IP address. You have to input IP address.
Okay. 192.168.10.1, the IP address of this router, right? We're accessing this telnet. Okay. Space is not required, right? Hit enter. Now it is asking the password. So tell me what is the password?
Cisco.
Okay.
Is it
Cisco.
no? Is it Cisco? Yes.
It is Cisco. Now we are getting access to the router, right? Now next we're going to get into enable mode, right? That is privilege mode. Hit enter. Now what is the password we have set for privilege mode?
CCNA.
CCNA. Hit enter. See, I'm accessing the router. Got it. Now from here, if I want, I can get into the global configuration mode. Okay. And for example, if I want INTFA 0 by 1, right? This, I'm selecting this port. Okay. Hit enter.
Yes.
If I run the command shutdown, okay, see, it is red now. I am from this computer, I am disabling this port of the router. Getting a point means I am able to do the configuration of this router. Cool.
Yes.
To enable the port, what is the command?
No shutdown.
No shutdown. Hit enter. See, it is enabled now. Okay. Now let me show you the magic. See, right now this computer is accessing telnet of this router. Plus, this computer is also accessing the telnet of this router. Right. Now let's try to access telnet from the third computer and let's see what is going to happen. But before that, we haven't assigned the IP address to this computer. First of all, let's assign the IP address. Okay. Desktop IP address 192.168.20.2. Now tell me what will be the default gateway of this computer?
Sorry.
What will be the default gateway of this computer?
I think it will be the network 192.168.20.0 dot
Yeah, good.
20.1.
Yeah, good. 192
Is it?
dot, yeah, correct. 192.168.20.1. Now tell me why you have chosen this as a default gateway. What is the reason behind this?
I think because it is the network that the computer is connected to. So
No, because this is the exit point. Okay, this is a, see,
this
under
is
this
what?
exit point.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, as we know that, see, router is a device that allows you to connect two or more different network, right? So from here to
Yes.
here, right, from this computer, let me show you. Okay, see, from here to here, it is a one network. Till here, it is one
Okay.
network. So from
Yeah.
which port it is getting exit? It is getting exit from this particular one port, right?
Yes. Yes.
So here we are going to enter this gateway. This is, it will act as a default gateway. Okay. Now for this network, see, this from here to here it is a one network, right? So for these computers, this will be act as a default gateway. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So done. We have assigned the IP address to this computer. Let's assign to this computer as well. Desktop, IP configuration, 3. Okay, done. Go to computer. Okay. Now tell me what is the command to access telnet?
Telnet.
Telnet.
Yes. 192.168.20.1.
Okay, 192.168.20.1, right? Hit enter.
Yes.
See what it is telling? It is telling open. Connection to 192.168.20.1 closed by foreign host. I am getting this particular one error. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's see. Now let's see magic. Now again I am going to this computer. Let's exit from here. Exit. Exit. Okay. So finally I am exit from this mode. See, right now I am not in the router mode, right? I am in normal computer mode, drive mode. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see. I am running the same command again. Hit enter. It is asking the password now. Earlier I was getting this error. Now it is asking the password. So if I enter the password Cisco, I am able to enter into the router. Getting my point?
Sorry.
So you got the answer, right? Why it is happening?
Not yet. Sorry.
So see, in the router what we did, we are giving access to two devices at a single time. Means only two computer can access telnet at a single time, right?
Yes. Yes.
We have
Yeah.
configured 0 to 1. That's the reason. See, earlier these two computer was accessing telnet. That's the reason this computer was getting the error. Connection to this
Oh.
closed by foreign host, right? Now,
Yes. Yes.
hence I exit from this machine. Now this computer is able to access the telnet.
Okay. Yes. Well understood.
Yeah. Now your password is CCNA. Okay. Now tell me, if I try to access telnet from this computer, will it work?
No. No. It won't work.
It will not work. Why? Because these two machines are already accessing the telnet right now. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, done. Now let's take another example. See, in a router port, we can assign the IP address. Okay, that's the easy one. In a router, all the ports we're going to assign the IP address. Okay. Now, for example, there is a switch in the network, and here I have computer. Let's take a one computer only. or 2. Let's make it 2. Okay, and both of these computers are directly connected to this switch. Okay, now see what is difference between switch and router. See, in switch, on each port we are going to assign the IP address, right? But in switch we are not going to do the same. In switch port we cannot assign the IP address. Okay, in switch port we cannot assign the IP address. Now tell me, if I want to access telnet of this machine, is it possible? I'm assigning the IP address to 10.0.0.2. Yeah, tell me, I want to access this switch. Is it possible?
Oh,
With the help of ARP, I think we will first find out the IP address.
How you can find the IP address? Switch, in switch we have we entered any IP address to the switch? No, right?
No, no. Oh,
Now let me show you one example. Then only you will understand. Okay. Okay. Let make it side. Yesterday from YouTube somebody asked me what is what is the user command int vlan, right? Now I can give the proper answer to that student if he join the class. Hello bhai, hello. Okay, now see, if I go to switch, right, same like router, even switch also can be configured, right? See, here also we have user mode. It was router here, here it is telling switch. If you type enable, it will get into privilege mode. Type configure terminal, it will get into global configuration mode, right? Now let me show you what is the port number of this. It is fa0 by 1. Okay, and what about this?
yes.
fa0 by 2. Okay, let me make it in this side, it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, now tell me, what is the command to select the port? What is the command to select port?
Interface, if I'm not mistaken, interface,
Yeah, interface.
then you select the port.
Good.
You name the port. Yeah.
Yeah, fa0 by 1 is the port number. Okay, hit enter. Okay, now what is the command to assign IP address? IP
IP
address
address.
10.0.0. For example, I want to assign IP address 10.0.0.1 space 255.0.0.0. Hit enter. What is telling? Invalid input detected. Getting the answer? See, it is telling invalid input detected, means you cannot assign IP address to a port of the switch. Got it? In
Yes.
router port we can assign the IP address, but in switch port we cannot assign the IP address. Okay, at the same time, for
Yes.
accessing telnet, what is the command? Telnet plus we are going to enter the IP address of the destination, right? See, telnet, we type telnet and then we have entered the IP address of this router, then only we are able to access the telnet, right? But in switch we cannot assign the IP address itself. So is it possible to access the telnet? It is possible. Okay,
Okay.
okay, it is possible. Let's exit from here. Okay, in switch we have VLAN, that is called virtual LAN, and with the help of that we can create a virtual interface. Okay, virtual interface means the interface that is physically not available, but we are telling a switch, okay, just make a virtual interface where we can assign the IP address. The
Yes.
command for assigning IP address to the switch is int, that is again interface. Let me type the full command, it will be easy for you to remember. Interface space VLAN space 1. Okay, hit enter. So see, virtual interface is selected now. Now if I want to assign IP address here, right? IP address, let's assign the same IP address 10.0.0.1, hit enter. See, it is assigned successfully. Now even here to run the command same no shutdown to enable it, hit enter. See, the port is up now. Okay. Is it clear, or if you have any doubt, just let me know.
So what you mean? If you want if you want to telnet, the first one you have to select the port, and then the port you have to assign it to VLAN
Hmm.
ID, which is VLAN 1. Okay. Then the
Hmm.
VLAN can be assigned with IP address, where we can then telnet.
Tell me again.
Yes. So what I have understood here is
Hmm.
the first thing you do, the first thing you have done is you have selected the port, switch port.
Hmm.
So the switch port you have assigned the switch port to VLAN 1.
No, 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 no. See,
Yes.
first of all, I have shown you. I have selected a switch port, but
Yes.
I am unable to assign the IP address to this port. See, it is telling invalid input detected, right? So
Yeah.
we cannot assign IP address to the switch port. Okay.
Yes.
Now, with the
Yes.
help of
Yes.
this command interface VLAN1, we are creating a virtual interface. Virtual
Ah.
interface
Okay.
means interface that is physically not available, but we're making it as a logical interface.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the command to create virtual interface. Now to this virtual interface, we have assigned the IP address. Clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And now with the help of no shutdown command, we have enabled the port. Okay. Now after that, let's exit from here, and you can run the same command to enable telnet. So what is the command? It is line vty space 0. For this time I'm giving access to only one computer, so it will be 0 to 0, means only one device can access telnet. Okay, hit enter. It is telling invalid command. Why? Am I doing something mistake? Line vty 00. It is telling here is the mistake. What is the mistake? I think, okay, line vty 0 space 0, hit enter. 0 to 1. Okay, so here it is only single device, it is not taking by default. There might be some reason only it is not taking. Okay, so here minimum we to put 0 to 1, then only it will take. Okay, now here again run the same command. What? Password. Let's give the password same as Cisco. Hit enter. Now next is exit from here. We're also going to enable the password called, oh sorry, I think I forgot. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. Line VTY 0 to 1. Password is Cisco. Next, this is for login password, right? Let's type here login, hit enter, exit. Now, what is the command to enable the privilege mode password? Tell me. Any idea?
Mm.
It is simple. Password space enter the password CCNA. Hit enter. Password no. Enable password CCNA. Okay. Hit enter. That's it. Now let's go to computer. Command prompt. Type telnet. We have assigned the IP address at was 10.0.0.1, right?
Yes, yes.
Hit enter. Now password is Cisco. Hit enter. See, I am able to access this switch also. Got it?
Yes.
Now, for example, I am changing the host name. Host name means the name of the device. So by default, device name is what? Switch, right? By default, device name is switch. So for example, I am changing name from switch to switch 1. Hit enter. See, the name has been changed. Switch 1.
Okay.
Got it. Now if I go to switch, you can see here also. Hit enter. See, it has changed to switch 1. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now here, if you want to create multiple virtual interface, even that is also possible. Run the command same interface. Earlier we have VLAN 1, right? Now let's type VLAN 2. Now even here you can assign the IP address. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. It's not like that only one virtual interface you can create. You can create many virtual interfaces as you want. So today you have learned what is telnet, how to configure telnet in a router, in a switch. Plus, I have also explained to you the command to change the host name of a device. Same command you can also use in the router also. For example, if you go to command prompt. Now, I want to you guys, okay, let me type here enter, 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 enter. Okay. Okay. Tell me who is going to access the telnet first. Tell me.
Sorry?
Who is going to access the telnet? Tell me. I am asking you guys. Who want to participate in the practical? That is what I'm asking.
Yes. Iroko, yeah.
You will do it? Okay, fine. Now tell me how to access the telnet of the router. Tell me. I'm accessing from this computer. What should be the command?
The command should be you just write it telnet,
Okay.
then you specify IP address,
Which IP address should
which
you
is
enter?
192.168.10.1.
Okay. One hit enter. Okay. It is asking the password. What is the password?
The password is CCNA.
Not CCNA.
Cisco.
Cisco. This is the first password, right? To enter to log into the router. Now next command is what?
Enable.
Enable. This command is used for what purpose?
Privileged mode.
Okay, good. Privilege mode. What is the password for this mode?
CCNA.
CCNA. Hit enter. Done. Now okay. Now next, I want to get into global configuration mode. What is the command?
Configure terminal.
Very good. Configure terminal. Nice. Okay. Now I want to I want this port to be down. It is up now. I want it to be down. So what command you are going to run here?
You have to specify the interface first.
Interface.
Ethernet.
Shut down.
Yeah. First of all, you have to select the port interface, right? So this interface
Yes.
is FA 0/1.
0. Yes, yes.
Okay. Very good. So FA 0/1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what will be the next command to disable it?
Shut down.
Shut down. Very good. Now what should be the command to enable it?
No shutdown.
No
While we are in the
shut
same
down.
inter port. Yes, yes.
Yeah, done. So you have cracked the concept, right? How to access the telnet. Easy, right?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Now let's. Are you guys ready for the next practical, or it is enough for today?
Mm. Sorry, I had a question.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question. Maybe in this room we have two physical ports, okay? Which we have assigned the network of in each
Mm-hmm.
port.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just, is it possible that we can uh oh yeah, my question has already got the answer. So
Tell me what is the question. Let's the
I
person
was
also.
asking maybe if we are in network one, which is 192.168.10.1,
Mm-hmm.
in this network, can we configure telnet from the computer which is in the left side to the network which is in the right side, of which
We already
it is
did, right?
190?
We already did, right?
Yeah, Rode?
We already did, right? I have shown you, right? We are able to disable the port. Last time we have also entered the IP address to this port via this computer only. We did everything.
Ah, okay, okay, yes, yes.
Okay. Now one more question. Okay. Let interesting. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Now, for example, if I'm going to enter the command telnet and I'm going to enter this particular IP address 192.168.20.1, can I able to access the telnet from this computer? Is it possible?
Yes, yes, it is possible.
Okay. Who is telling it is possible? Tell me
Yes,
again.
it's me, Muideen.
Okay.
It is possible because the computer is connected to the router, and the router is the one which links two different networks. So we
Hmm.
can telnet from any computer as long as these computers are connected with router.
Okay.
Of
Let's
router,
see.
yes.
Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to enter the IP address 192.168.20.1. Hit enter. See, we are able to access the telnet because this port
Okay.
belongs to the same router, right? If it is multiple
Yeah.
port means all the ports belong to the same router, and we have configured telnet to this particular one router. So from any port, if you want, you can access the telnet.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, done. So that's it for tonight. Okay. Now I think very few concept I'm going to show you in the trial classes. Those who are interested in complete CCNA class, you can just let me know. I will send you the link of the course and you can participate. And tomorrow there is a live class there only. We're not going to do live on YouTube or here, third party. All right. Do you guys
Okay,
know?
thank you.
Do you guys know about my complete course, or you want me to explain again?
Yes, it is possible.
Yeah. Okay. I'm explaining. Okay, about my course. Just give me a minute.
Yes, yes.
So you already know me, right? Who I am and about my channel Networking Plus, because from there only you have enrolled. So first of all, what is CCNA? I hope most of you guys know. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate, and the course that we're currently working on it is examination code is 200301. And the course that I have prepared for you guys, it's a job ready course. Means after completing the course, you can easily apply for the interview. And I am sure if you follow all the instruction and if you do practice at your home, you can easily crack the interview at any time. Okay. Next is
Yeah.
there are multiple institute available in different countries, and what is the difference between them and us? Why you should take the CCNA course from us? Let me give you the side by side comparison. Number one is every institute are going to teach you CCNA either in English or in Hindi. So those who are from outside India, so Hindi doesn't matter, but those who are watching this video from India, so it's a one extra beneficial for them is the course is available in two languages, that is English plus Hindi. Now most of the students find very difficult to understand CCNA, but the course I have designed in such a way that it is very very easy to understand. I hope if you have attended today class, means definitely you have found how easy it is. Just give me your feedback. Is it easy or you have found it difficult to understand the concept?
It is very easy. It's
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
No, sir, it's very easy.
very easy,
Even,
right?
sir, your subnetting classes is very awesome, sir.
Yeah, I am trying my
I
best.
have watched,
Hmm.
yes, sir, I have watched 50 more than 50 videos in the YouTube, but when I come to your videos, your subnetting explanation is very nice.
More than 50 videos.
Yes, sir, in the YouTube.
Okay, but that one video solve your all queries, right?
Yes, even I was able to understand how many in the network when there is one IP address
Mm-hmm.
that how many host will be there and what will be the network ID and how to calculate the subnet mask.
Correct.
These things are clearly you have mentioned in your that videos in subnetting.
Yeah, thanks for your feedback. So let me explain all the other important available on our course. Okay. So if you do course from any other institute, no one is going to provide labs. If they are providing, also very few of them are providing the lab access. What is lab access? See, today we have configured the lab. Lab means we have configured telnet, right? We have used router, we have used switches, we have used computers to access telnet. So whatever lab we have created, you will be allowed to download them. Plus you will also get all the commands. See, all the commands, like whatever command we have used to configure these devices, you will get notes of all the command so that you can easily practice it at your home. That is an extra benefit for you. But if you do course from any other institute, no one is going to provide lab access, no one will give you the commands, right? So if for example you attend the live class, you come to home, you forget all the commands, then what are you going to do? Again you have to do lots of research on the internet. It is not going to work. But here everything I am going to share with you guys. Now here no one is going to provide you extra quiz, but here I am providing the quiz. It is an upcoming feature because my old quizzes has expired, so I am planning to provide with you a new quiz. It will coming very very soon. Here I am also giving you a certification. You will only get certificate if you complete the course and you are going to attend the interview. I'm going to take, not interview, I'm going to take exam at the end of the class, and those who pass the exam, I'm going to give you a course complete certification. The biggest problem I have seen on all the institute is that they are going to provide you limited time access. Means, for example, the course is for 3 months, means only you will get 3 month access, right? What about after 3 months you want to watch the video again? You will not get the access. They will ask you money again and again. But what I am giving you lifetime access. You just enroll the course now, and whenever you feel any doubt, you can watch the videos again and again, unlimited number of times. This is a best part about our course. If you have visited any of the institute, you must have seen a big banner they are going to put. They are going to tell you 100% job guarantee, but I am telling you this is absolutely false promise. No one can give you 100% job guarantee. Okay, at the end of the day, you have to only go and attend the interview, right? So what they do, they are going to search for the job from job portals such as Naukri, Monster, and they will tell you, go, there is a vacancies available, right? But these small things even you can do from your side. You can apply your resume on the job portal, and even you are going to get a call from them. But here at the end of the day, they are going to send you for the call center job and all. You are doing CCN and not for doing call center jobs, right? So it's happening everywhere. The institute I have learned CCNA, even there also it was same problem. Okay, it is happening. But here I am not going to give you any false promise. Whatever resources I am giving you, whatever knowledge I am giving you, if you practice at your home, if you capture the knowledge, you can definitely crack the interview very easily. I can promise you one thing, that I will give my 100% to teach you CCNA, like in the easiest method possible. No one is going to give you any money back guarantee. If you just pay the money, you don't like the course, your money is gone. But here I am giving you 7 days money back guarantee. No questions will be asked. I am sure you're going to love my course, no doubt at all. Because as of now, those who have enrolled the course, everyone is happy and nobody asked for the refund. But still, if you have any doubt, if you are not happy with my course, I will give you 100% money back guarantee. Next is, here I have made few changes this time. Earlier these changes was not there. Earlier my course was only available in the video format, means you cannot attend the live classes. Only user can attend the video. Okay. But now I am giving you 3 month live classes where I will cover all the concept of CCNA. You can ask all of your doubts. Nothing to worry on that. It is going to be 3 month live classes every Sunday. Next is quiz. I have told you, right? It is coming soon. Next, what bonus you are getting? I am preparing one more course, that is free network fundamental course. It is a network fundamental course worth rupees $200 again. I am going to give you free of cost. This course is also coming soon as I am preparing for it. Those who enroll the course, I am giving you 30% off on all our upcoming courses. I am planning to do collaborate with other faculties available in the market. So in future, if you want to learn Microsoft server, right, or you want to learn cloud computing such as AWS or Azure or firewall, any courses you want to learn, you will get 30% off. Lab access I have already shared with you. I'm going to allow you to join our networking plus community where you can doubt all of your doubts. Our student, for example, you are attending the live classes, right? So in this community what you can do is you can just text a message whatever doubt you have. Our students, same like you, other students will be there, they're going to help you, right? And if they cannot answer, I will be there to help you. Like this, entire community is sharing knowledge with each other. 7 days money back guarantee I have already explained you, and one more surprise is available. It is only for those students, those who enroll the course. Okay, this surprise revealed to only those students, those who enroll the course. And at the end of the day, it is very important, we always welcome your suggestion. So whatever your feedback, because with the help of your feedback only we can improve ourselves, so that we can provide you better course. Now, what is the price of our CCNA course? See, actually, the course price, if you have seen on our website, it is around $300. Okay, but again, here also I am giving you 30% off. As I have told you, upcoming courses 30% off is available, right? But if you join today, even here I am giving you 30% off. Means only at $210 you are getting. That's huge benefit that you are not going to get anywhere, and with the lifetime access. Okay, one more thing, let me give you the quick course overview so that you will understand how it is going to look in the background. Okay, that is going to be the best part about our course. Just give me a minute, let me show you. I am just logging in the background, just give me a minute, it is almost done. Come on. Yeah. Okay. I hope you're able to see my screen. So see, once you enroll the course, you are going to get this dashboard. As I have explained you, the course is available in English and Hindi, right? The best part about our course is you are able to attend the live classes, right? Plus, here you are also going to get all the recorded videos. Here you can, those who don't know about basics of networking, here you're going to get all the basics of networking videos available. Plus, whatever practical, right? For example, today we have learned about telnet. So let's find out where is the, see here is telnet, right? So you can watch the video anytime you want. Plus, here you are going to get a link of the project. Just click on the link and see you are allowed to download the project file, that is packet tracer file. You can open it and you can practice at your home. Plus, you can download the resources as well. If I click on download, save, open. So this is a basic configuration we did today. So you can download it. Here you can see all the configurations that we have used to configure the devices. You can practice it at your home very easily. I hope you got the answer what I'm trying to explain you guys, right? And it is going to about all the projects. See, in each lab, there is a static routing. Even here also we're going to get the projects. Even we're going to configure NAT, PAT, multiple videos, theory will be available, practical will be available, right? Even here also will be allowed to download notes. Everything is available. So this is what I just want to explain you. If you want, I will highly recommend you to enroll the course as soon as possible because new batch is currently going on. If you miss this batch, again you have to wait for another 3 to 4 months for the new batch to start. So who is interested in joining, just let me know. I just need your feedback.
Of course, I'm interested, but I just want to know when this course is going to start.
The course is already live. Every Sunday you can come. Tomorrow also you can come and join.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the mode of payment, is it maybe at the start of the course, or I don't know?
You can just make the payment and you will be get enrolled in the course. Like if you make the
Okay.
payment today, you will get the course access on your registered email ID immediately, and you can watch
Oh,
all the videos. Plus, every Sunday you can attend the live classes. Like today you are attending the class, right? Same like this,
yes.
we are taking live class every Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I understand it.
Okay. So you are taking the course. Shall I share you the link?
Sorry. What?
So are you planning to taking the course? Shall I share you the link?
Of course, I'm planning, but at this time, I'm just trying to prepare myself to have money. And then
Mm-hmm.
I'll inform the cause.
Okay, it is fine. I'm not forcing you. See what is happening, right? We waste our time in thinking. We think too much. This is the main problem of human being. Okay, we take
Okay.
decision very late. You are thinking right now, but one day definitely, either it is today or tomorrow, you have to learn CCNA. That's the reason you are watching the video right now, right? If you take the course today, means definitely you are going to learn it very soon. If you take it after 3 months, you will learn after 6 months. Getting my point? So you must be fast action taker. Those who take action fast, that people get success very fast. I hope you are getting my point. What I am trying to explain.
Yes. Yes. I'm getting you.
Yeah. And what about William and Alexi? Just let me know. William and Alexi, am I audible to you guys?
Yes, please. I'm here. I can hear you.
Yeah.
I have to prepare myself very well with this networking class. It's very new to me, so that I can come on and take the quotes, and then I'll continue very well with you.
Okay, you want to prepare by yourself only, right?
Yes, before I join the class, and then from there I can take the exam.
So you are not planning to take the full course right now?
Yeah, I want to prepare myself before I come for the quotes, because looking at the nature of the class today, it was so new to me that I don't know much of the things. So I think I have to, yeah, learn the basics myself, and then I'll come for the quotes.
Okay, it is fine, no problem. And what about Alexi?
Yes.
Alexi, am I audible to you? Yeah, Alexi, you can ask me your doubt, but whether you are planning to enroll the course or not, what is your thought? You can give me your feedback. Alexi, your mic is on, but you are not speaking. I am unable to listen your voice. Okay, no problem. Just one small request. Can you guys turn on your camera? Okay, Sonu Kumar, yes. Mohidini, William, just can you turn your camera right now? Okay. Mohidini, even I'm expecting to turn on camera. Yeah, fine. Okay, just let's do one thing. Okay, I just want to record you guys. Just need your feedback so that I can share this feedback with other students so that they will also learn how easy is the course, whether they should enroll it or not. Because wherever you are planning to buy a course, right? The main thing is trust factor. If you trust someone, then only you are going to take course. You are going to purchase any product from them, right? Just to trust factor, just I want to show my student feedback to other student. If you guys are comfortable, you can share your feedback one by one. So let's start with Muhidini. Just if you're comfortable, you can just share your feedback. How was the session today, and whether other students would join the course or not?
Sorry?
I am just asking you to share your feedback and whether other students should join my course or not. How was the session? And do you recommend my course to all the students or not? This is what I'm asking.
Yes, thank you. I have enjoyed a lot in this call, though I came late, but what I learned from where I joined, it is very, very useful for me. And I
Hmm.
recommend others if they do want to join the course. So it is here that everyone can join and get the lesson and the course as it is very useful for us.
Okay. Is it easy to understand or you find any difficult, any challenges?
No challenges. As from the point I joined the course, each
Hmm.
and everything was very clear. That is why wherever I had a doubt, I was able
Hmm.
to ask you, and you have explained it very well.
Okay, then. Thank you very much for your feedback.
Okay,
Uh,
thank you very much.
yeah. Alexi, just need your feedback. Your audio is not coming. I think there is problem with your mic, Alexi. Just fix your mic, na. There is no audio from your side. Till then, I am checking with William. William, just let me know your feedback.
My feedback to the group, everyone in the group, is that the course is very nice, and I wish, if you are, so far as you are enjoying it and you are learning a lot, you have to go for the quotes
Hmm.
now, so that you can, yeah, you can flourish now. You don't have to wait. As you were saying, we take time in deciding. So I just don't want anyone to fall a victim of that. Go for the quotes. It will really profit you, to benefit you. Thank you.
Okay. The course is easy for you, or have you found it little difficult? Any challenges? Have you found any challenges to the course? Whatever learned today, or it is very very easy for you to understand? And have you got all the answers that you asked?
Yes, along the line, I was really uh, learning. It's very nice. So I make some notes, and then I take some pictures as well. So I'll be learning much about it on my own as well. I'll prepare very well myself so that next time when you mention some things, I wouldn't I wouldn't find myself wanting. That's what I can say for now.
Yeah. So will you recommend the course to other student?
Yes, I recommend the course to other students.
Okay then.
If my colleagues, yeah, all my colleagues who wants to join the CCNA, I'll recommend it to them. That I found the link online, and then they can also join for free for the meantime, and then later they'll come for the codes.
Thank you very much for your feedback. Alexi, if you can speak, it will be great. I have seen your message.
Thank you too.
You said I really enjoyed the course. Yeah, thank you very much. But if you can speak in the video, then it will be great. Till then, I am taking feedback from Sonu Kumar. Like he is very brilliant student.
No, sir, nothing brilliant, but sir, your videos are very nice and your class is very good.
Mhm.
And I recommend this class to other student. It is good
Mhm.
class, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for your feedback. I'm expecting you to join very soon. I don't know why you are waiting. You already did CCNA last time, right? Or what?
No, sir, I will join soon. I have some money backup problems. As soon as
Okay,
it is
okay.
resolved, I will join.
Okay. Until then, you guys can see those who have money problem or those who want to do self studies, no problem. Many of the videos are already available on my YouTube channel, right? Just follow those videos. At least you will have a good understanding of what are the basic concept of networkings. Okay. I hope you guys.
Okay, thank you.
I hope you guys aware about my channel, right? YouTube channel, Networking Plus.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. All right. And Alex is telling my mic is having some problem. I will try to fix it, sir. Okay, no problem. Alexis, see you next time. It's time to say good night and take care, guys. And if any of your colleague want to join Cisco CCNA or want to learn CCNA from me, just recommend them so that we are having many students means many doubts. Many doubts means there will be more answer to all the students. Getting my point? See, today if you ask any question, like your one question is going to give answer to all the other students. There might be chances that question didn't come in other users mind, right? But with the help of your one question, everyone else is going to understand that particular one concept. Getting my point? So as many students we have, we can share more knowledges. Okay. So thank you very much for joining the live session. So it's time to say good night. If there is any next live session, definitely I will let you know.
Okay, thank you. Good
Thank
night.
you.
Yeah. Good night, guys. Take care.
Take care too. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
And those who are watching the video on YouTube, you guys can comment, and I will try to give all of your answers. I have stopped the live session. Now, if you guys want to ask me something, you are welcome. You just ask me. Just type hi in the chat. Let me see who is watching the live streaming right now. As I'm able to three users are watching the live session. Let's see who is watching the live streaming right now. And from today's session, if you guys have any doubt, you can just let me know. I will try to explain you. It's 10 o'clock right now. We have, I think, started the session around 8 o'clock, right? 8:30, I think. Am I audible to you guys? Hello? Okay, then I am stopping this live session. I think no one is there to attend, or four users are watching right now. So those who have attended today's session, if you guys have any doubt, just you can ask me. I will try to help you. Just let me know. I am available here till another 5 minutes. So if you have any doubt related to the course, just let me know. Today's session was really wonderful. Like I teach telnet, right? And many students found it helpful. So the time I teach and students find it useful, I I used to appreciate myself. Like whatever I am teaching, if my audience are getting, right, it means my hard work is getting the results. Hence, there is no feedback from you guys. So I am going to end this session right now. Okay. So those who are watching right now, good night, take care, bye bye. And I will let you know for the next webinar. And those who want to attend the live classes, just you can fill the form on my website. The link is given in the description section below, or directly you can visit course.networkingplus.in. As you can see, this is my website link in the description section below. If you click on the link, right, it is going to open my website, and here you can fill your details, and you will be allowed to join the next live class. And please guys, do not fill wrong number, because I used to send webinar details to the website, or like to the WhatsApp number only. Many people, like 90, more than 90% people have entered the wrong number. And while I am sending the webinar details to the WhatsApp, they are telling who is this, why you are sending message. It should not be. If you don't like to attend the webinar, please don't fill the form. If you want to attend the webinar, make sure to fill the correct details, right? I don't want to get like bad feedback from other users who don't know me. You guys know me. You can fill the form, you can enter the correct number. If you don't want to enter the webinar, please don't enter the wrong number. Okay, this is just a small thing I want from you guys. Okay, I'm ending the session right now. Good night, take care, bye bye.